Costa fam! Day 3 in Costa Rica. So first of all, I just want to finish up what happened last night because we never did like a final this is what happened thing. So yesterday, I think we went to the bank, we went to the grocery store. Oh yeah, I showed you the grocery store. Oh my goodness. Ah, we're driving. We went to the grocery store. When we got back to the house, we took the dog for a walk with Tia Katia. And then Theo Johnny came over to the house and they were talking and Carter fell asleep just sitting there on the sofa with Gorda. Today we're going to go find Theo Roy and yeah, we're gonna go get Theo Roy. We're gonna fly the drone. What are those? Coffee, that's some coffee. Cafetales, huh? They're coffee.
Come to family fun. Fun for you, it's fun for me. Let's see what's happening. It's kind of funny.
I smell something here. And then my sister's car seat, my sister's and my car seat. Hey, good friend. We just having a fun. And look, this is fun. Faster is fun. And there's a house in the sky, but there's not the sky. But that's the house too. That's the house. You wanna stay on to record yourself?
Yeah, quiere
Oh,
decir,
I got me.
quiere decir algo.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi. Yeah, that's the dog. But her have a dog, but her is wigging the tail. But her wigging her tail because her was happy.
Creo que lo tiene. El cementerio tiene que estar allá, hay un cementerio ya. Vamos a agarrar la calle. Yo agarro aquí. ¿Sabe qué?
Hace que solo a mí. Quítale la visión a ella para que solo me siga a mí.
Let's go, Sophie.
Go!
Yeah, easy now.
Ay, Sofía, mamita. Ah, it makes you sick. Go get him, Sophia. Okay, so now we are at the Pulperia Super San Luis. Well, it's not a pulperia anymore, right?
It's called like a mini supermarket or something like that.
So it's a mini supermarket. There's Karen, one cashier, Roy, extra, the other. That's what I meant to say. papitas. Ajá. ¿Usted trabaja aquí? You work here? ¿Cómo se llama? What's your name?
Pig got pooped. Right here. Oh, okay, you will stop screaming. Can you stop screaming? You pooped all over. Amor, look. I can't. Do we have any wipes? Then we have to go to the bathroom over there. No, the bathroom. You're right. She got pooped. Oh,
Oh, there's